liquid car wax, and scoop. Today, liquid car wax drop and see. As soon as it touches hot gukja, from inside quickly bogle. It's make sumanan kipo, so it looks the hayake. It becomes sungyung sakgal and play bang. It's funny banong. And then talk. It pops up and the bang will separate. The jaga jin liquid wax quickly jung balago. Finally, it leaving just white jaguk and disappear. Digestive aid and scoop. This time, it's digestive aid. It touches the hot gukja tansan sungbun strongly vuglo. And in the bangwol, it make hayan gipo. Because many much gipo, it looks like a small galaxy. It changes variety mosub and makes bunyol. And then, it became the gopum chim. In the final round, Wi Sang Chun is last varak. It tried to gakja survival, but it disappears in the Sunsik Gan. Penetrating oil and scoop. This time, it's penetrating oil. Spreads too wide like a bin day dock. Because he val sung boon, it catches fire right now. It's bubbling and vuglo with white gopum. The bubbles are popping like tan sand. The fire jum big fire and size jum small. Penetrating oil is to be kola color. It's sik gorigo, sujungi pumping out. Finally, everything jungbalan disappear. Black sesame dressing and scoop. This time, it's black sesame dressing. Because oil and water hab inside vugl yodong chim, gosohan color jum getting darker. The surface becomes sticky. Dressing change sakao like dalgona. A lot of bubbles talk and size jum smaller. Guri gone, it catching fire and burning the oil sung boon. After all of the water jingval, it left only black kion dugi. Bacchus and scoop. This time, it's Bacchus. Sikam dalkam Bacchus, it's ozum color, right? Dungsil dancing together, hot gukja running around. Then it's very tired and it start to fill up the white gopum. Hot to go hot. To go hot. It's tong. Ki jolcho pung Bacchus with gopum. Last one Su Boon Gang Tao. Crazy disco pang and burning black and blue.